Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of your favorite kitchen, your one and only original meal cooking channel in Ghana and beyond guys. I'm super excited as always to bring to your doorstep another sumptuous, healthy and mouth-watering food recipe. And I know you can't wait to try this amazing recipe. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get it started. Stay with me as I take you through how to make hot Ghana pepper sauce that can pair with your braised rice, that's your anwamo, banku, kenkey, eba, amongst many others. So first of all, wash your ingredients, that's your tomatoes, your garlic, your red pepper and your onions. Wash it very well and transfer your hot pepper into your earthenware, that is your asanka, and chop your garlic into smaller pieces, after which you add your ginger, just a little ginger, and add your slices of onions. Then guys, you begin the real work, that is grinding of the pepper. So add your salt to taste, after which you grind so it's even and smooth. My pepper is fine, smooth and even, as you can see, after grinding for some time. So at this point in time, I will be chopping my tomatoes into my mixture. Chop it into smaller sizes to allow easy grinding of your hot Ghana pepper sauce with no stress at all. So please take note of this. Remove the seeds from your tomatoes before cutting into your mixture. So family, after some few minutes of combining my tomatoes with my mixture, that is proper grinding, my hot Ghana pepper sauce is ready guys, as you can see. So I will be tasting to check the salt contents, and family, it is very good for me, just as I like it. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end. Hope you've learned something new so you can add to your kitchen skills. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. See you with another video. Bye guys.